Hi, everybody. It's Mom Knows Treasures. I wanted to give everybody an update on my recent sales and my recent videos that I've done on YouTube. So, first off, I wanted to share with everybody I purchased this um, squishmallow and it did have damage. I showed the damage in the pictures and I was still able to get him at the flea market for $1 and sell him on eBay for $23. So I just wanted to share that squishmallows sometimes are rare. This one was a cat burger squishmallow. His name is Hayes, and he is one of the rarer squishmallows, and people will still buy him without the original tag. He was in used condition. Next, I want to share my video about buying Spanish records. I told you guys about this one. I picked up a bunch of things at the thrift store, and it's in my video what I picked up at the thrift store. And this I sold for $35, and then I was able to sell another one. Charo Avitia, he was more prolific and had more items on eBay for sale, so the market was kind of flooded. So I was only able to get $9 for him, but that's still great for my dollar investment. And then I was able to sell this. These were rarer. These Los Hermanos Bandas polkas vinyl, and that sold for $25, and that's going overseas. So that was awesome for a dollar investment. And next, I wanted to share my unboxing plush, unboxing a Goodwill blue box plush. I was able to sell this Harbor Seal puppet. And look at the background that I use, guys. I like to add creative backgrounds. I also use, of course, the clear background or the white background, but I like to also give the plush life. And look at how cute he looks, like he's swimming in the ocean. So that's a Harbor Seal puppet. In my video, he is singing Tears for Fears. So you guys, if you guys haven't seen that one, and then I was able to sell another folk mantis, and this is the background that I used for this raccoon in the garbage can. He was a puppet that I found. I purchased him from Primetime. Dom, the primetime seller, he was having a sale on Whatnot. Whatnot's a great platform to find stuff to source. And I sold this guy. He was, again, folk monis. Look for folk monis. Sometimes they sell for good money. This one was just an average sale, but still 1650 was a great sale for me on this used folk monis, no tags, raccoon in a garbage can, and I sold him for 1650. I also recommend selling linens. I've told you guys about the linens that I've been able to source and sell, and I wanted to tell you guys about this one. This is a handmade alphabet crib baby toddler quilt. But the thing about this one is that it was personalized and it did say Michaela on it. So even though it said Michaela and I said that in the listing, it still sold. So people can cover that up or they can give it to a child named Michaela. And my big sale for this week was on Poshmark. Poshmark. I have these rare 1980s strawberry shortcake window curtains. They are very collectible, sought after. JCPenney had the branding rights at that time for strawberry shortcake linens, and that's why I included the words hard to find and rare from the 1980s. These are over 40 years old. JCPenney strawberry shortcake complete window curtains, and I was able to sell those from 140 that I had them listed. I sold them for $100. They were listed on eBay for at least 8 months and they did not sell, but I had about 10 watchers. So I decided to change it up a little bit. They still didn't end up selling, but they eventually found a home and they were sold on Poshmark. So don't forget to cross list. And please give me a like, share my video. If you can, subscribe and put the bell on for all notifications. I'm going to try to do more finding bolos to help you guys all out. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.